Abacha is the signature dish of Enugu people. One thing that never lacks in every Enugu person's home is abacha and the ingredients for preparing it. To an Enugu person, abacha is not really considered a full or main meal. It is more of an appetizer served to visitors while the main meal is being prepared. Abacha can be prepared in different ways depending on the occasion or village. Let me take you to the hilltop community of Ugbo to show you one of the many ways abacha is prepared, or as they call it in Ugbo, Jigbo. Get your ingredients ready. Make fire and cook your akidi if you don't have the already cooked one. But it's always advisable to have an already cooked akidi, just in case of emergency or unannounced guests. But if you don't, just quickly cook your akidi.